Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Netbeans Integrated Development IDE for Windows operating system. In another video, I show the same thing for Mac operating system. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is go to www.netbeans.org. Okay, so just want to say that in order to make sure that this Apache Netbeans runs properly, you need to have Jdk installed first. And I already explained how to do it in another video. Go to download. And then let's go to latest edition. And then we have Windows, Linux, Mac. So I'm going to go and get Windows. You can go to one of the mirror sites. Okay. And then let's save it. Okay. It will take for a while. Okay, so when it is done, all you need to do is you just need to install it. Okay. Okay, next. Accept the agreement. Next. You can pick the default location. As you see, it is gonna have the Jdk as well. Check for updates. Well, I don't want to do that. Okay. All right. It's a big IDE. When the installation is complete, just finish. Bam, you have your IDE. Okay, so you can write using Notepad, and then you can use command prompt app to compile and run, or you can use Visual Studio Code, which is also a nice source code editor, but you can also use Netbeans IDE to write programs. Let's run it. The disadvantage of Netbeans, it is a very sophisticated IDE, and it generates tons of source code for you that you may not get familiar at the first time, but it is a very powerful IDE. So I'm going to show you how you can create a new project first. And let's pick Java application. Next. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's wait a little bit. We'll have to download and activate for the first time. And again, this is going to take a little bit time. Once the plugin is downloaded, this is going to be done only once. Okay, then it's going to bring you this interface. And first, you need to pick a working location for your project. And the default location is Netbeans projects under documents folder. If you want, you can keep it, or you can go ahead and, you know, navigate to your a proper location. For example, we can go to desktop. We used to have learning folder there. Let's have that. And let's give a project name. This is not your file name. This is the project name. Let's say first project. This will be a container for your Java application. Just say finish. For the first time, it takes time, but second time, when you run it, things are gonna get faster. Okay, so it's going to bring you this page, and you can select first project, and either you can go and say new file, or you can right click and go to new, okay, and then you can pick a new file from here. Let's go ahead and say, okay, new. Let's go to others. Let's see what we have. As you see, we have a bunch of different Java files or the Java programs. I'm going to go and say Java main class, because I know there's going to be Java application with the main class. I say next, and now I'm going to give a name. I'm going to name it test, finish. It's going to create the project, and it's going to bring me this screen. I wanted to get rid of all the commands so that we can have a clean, nice program. So what it did create a class called test. It already created the main method for me. And then I can go and do system.out.println. And then save it. And in order to compile and run it, you go and click on the screen button. And there might be multiple classes in a project. Just select whichever is your main project or main class. It's going to take a little bit of time to compile, and it's going to download for the first time certain add-ons, and it's okay, you just wait. And once it is done, it's going to compile and it's going to run it. And then on the screen, we should see hello. There you go. You see hello right there. Yeah, well, don't get intimidated. You can write Java programs with 3 different ways so far. Just Notepad and command prompt, and then Visual Studio Code or Netbeans. You can either do it on Windows, or you can do it in Mac or in other operating systems. I hope you enjoyed the video.